Have you ever been all by yourself, maybe in your room, and suddenly your heart starts racing? Your thoughts spin like a merry-go-round, and you feel a knot in your stomach? You think, why does being alone feel scarier than being chased by monsters? What if I told you that this fear, this anxiety, is not because you're weak or strange? It's because your brain is trying to keep you safe in the only way it knows how. And the good news is, you can teach your brain a new way to feel calm and even enjoy your alone time. In a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you what really happens in your mind when you're alone and anxious, why your brain tricks you into feeling unsafe, a simple mindset flip that turns alone time into me time, easy exercises you can do anywhere to feel peaceful in minutes. By the end of this video, you'll see being alone not as a scary trap, but as a golden chance to recharge, grow, and even have fun with yourself. So, if you've ever felt that nervous buzz in your gut when the lights go out or the door closes, stay tuned. Let's turn that fear into freedom. Why this matters and why you should care. 1. Alone time is inevitable. Everyone spends time alone. Kids, teens, grown-ups, grandparents. Whether it's waiting for the bus, doing chores, or just relaxing, alone moments happen every day. If those moments feel scary, they steal your peace and joy. 2. Anxiety hurts your body and mind. Feeling anxious raises your heart rate, makes your muscles tense, and sends stress hormones rushing. Over time, this can make you tired, cranky, and even sick. 3. Turning anxiety into calm is life-changing. Learning to handle that anxious feeling means you can enjoy quiet moments, sleep better, think clearly, and feel confident, even when no one else is around. For it's not just about toughing it out. This isn't about being brave and ignoring your worry. It's about understanding your brain and using simple tools to help it feel safe. If you give me a few minutes, I promise you'll walk away with real steps to turn alone and anxious into alone and awesome. Let's dive in. The misunderstanding. What most people get wrong. Many people think, if I feel anxious alone, I must be broken. I need someone else to feel safe. Being alone means being lonely. But here's the truth. 1. Anxiety is a signal, not a flaw. Your brain sends you the message, be careful, because it wants to protect you. 2. Alone is not equal to lonely. You can be alone and feel happy, curious, or creative, if you know how. 3. You can train your brain. Just like you train your muscles, you can train your mind to feel calm when you're by yourself. When you understand these ideas, you stop blaming yourself and start taking action. That shift is a first step to flipping anxiety into peace. Personal story, a relatable moment. Let me tell you about a quiet Friday night when I was about 12. My friends had plans, my family was busy, and I was home alone for the first time. The TV flickered in the living room, and the house felt huge. I sat on the couch, remote in hand, but every few seconds I'd jump at a floorboard creak or the wind tapping the window. My heart pounded. I tried calling my mom, but she was in the next room. I told myself, I'm fine, but my hands shook so badly I dropped the remote. I ended up pacing the hallway, head spinning with what-if thoughts. What if someone breaks in? What if the roof collapses? What if I'm stuck here forever? I'll never forget the relief I felt when my mom finally came to check on me. As soon as she turned on the lights, my chest unclenched. I realized my fear wasn't about real danger. It was about my brain doing its job, and doing it too well. From that night on, I decided to learn why my brain did that, and how I could teach it to trust that the house was safe. That journey led me to the simple tools I'll share with you today. Deep truth, what's really going on. When you're alone, your brain switches on old survival mode. Long ago, being alone in the wild meant danger. Lions, storms, the dark. Your ancestors needed to stick in groups to stay alive. Today, big cats and wild storms are rare. But your brain still uses the same rules. Alone equals risky. Here's the deep truth. Your brain cares more about keeping you alive than making you happy. It mistakes quiet for danger because it looks for any sign of trouble. Science calls this the negativity bias. Your brain pays more attention to things that could hurt you than things that help you. Knowing this, you can forgive your anxious mind and teach it new habits. showed that being alone at home, in class, or on a walk is safe and can even be good. Science plus brain insight. Why this works. 1. Neuroplasticity. Your brain can rewire itself with practice. If you practice calm, it learns calm. 2. The safety circuit. When you feel safe, your parasympathetic nervous system kicks in. Your breathing slows, your heart rate drops, and your muscles relax. 3. The tension habit. Your brain looks for threats automatically, but you can retrain where it looks with positive focus. 4. The emotion regulation loop. Notice anxiety, name the feeling, use a calming tool, feel safer, repeat. Each loop makes the next one easier. This science means you're not stuck with anxiety. You just need the right practice. Practical tools. How to flip anxiety when you're alone. Below are 5 powerful practices you can use right now. Do them in order or pick the ones that feel best. Practice them daily and your alone time anxiety will shrink. 1. Spot and name. What to do. As soon as you feel anxious, stop and say quietly, I notice I'm feeling anxious and alone. Why it helps. Naming the feeling takes away its power. It shifts you from being the feeling to observing it. 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding. What to do. Look around and name. 5 things you see. 4 things you can touch. 3 things you can hear. 2 things you can smell. 1 thing you can taste or imagine tasting. Why it helps. Direct your brain's attention away from danger to present reality. 3. Safe space visualization. What to do. Close your eyes. Picture a place where you feel happiest and safest, a cozy room, a beach, a treehouse. Imagine every detail, colors, sounds, smells. Stay there until your heart slows. Why it helps. Creates a real sense of safety in your body. 4. ABC thought flip. What to do. A. Write down the anxiety thought. Example, I'm all alone and something bad will happen. B. Challenge it with a balanced thought. Example, I'm safe right now and I know how to handle surprises. C. Feel the calm shift and write your new thought on a sticky note. Why it helps. Teaches your brain that not every scary thought is true. 5. Alone is adventure journaling. What to do. Keep a small alone adventure notebook. Every time you're alone. 1. Write down 3 sensory details. I hear wind. I feel soft carpet. I smell coffee. 2. Write 1 positive action you took. I drank water. I drew a picture. I danced. 3. Give yourself a high five emoji or sticker. Why it helps. Builds positive record of safe, fun alone moments. Guided reflection. Practice it now. Let's do a quick practice together. Sit comfortably, feet on the ground. 1. Notice. Take a deep breath in and out. Ask yourself, am I feeling anxious right now? 2. Name. Whisper to yourself, I notice I feel anxious and alone. 3. Ground. Look around and name silently. 3 things you see. 2 things you can touch. 1 thing you can hear. 4. Breathe. Take 3 slow breaths. In for 4 counts, out for 6 counts. Pause here for about 1 minute as you continue these breaths. 5. Visualize. Close your eyes and imagine that safe place. Feel how calm it makes you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Notice how your heart and mind feel a bit quieter. You just flipped your brain's danger, switch to a safe mode. Remember, feeling anxious when you're alone is not your fault. It's your brain doing its job too well. But you have the power to teach it a better way. Practice the tools daily. Celebrate each calm moment alone. Share these tricks with a friend who gets anxious. 2. Alone time can become your secret superpower, a time to think, create, and be at peace. Next time you find yourself all by yourself, don't fear it. Use these steps to flip anxiety into confidence. Thank you for spending these moments with me. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Drop a comment. Which practice will you try first? You deserve to feel safe, calm, and happy, whether you're with others or simply by yourself. Go ahead, turn alone into adventure. This is Soul Ambition, empowering you to grow no matter what.